Just wanted to make a quick video on the Huffy Torex with a broken throttle and how to fix it. The first thing we're going to do is disconnect the battery. We'll flip it over on its side to get access to the bottom. We can remove this bottom plate. And now these two screws. And you should be able to pop this out. With the pedal free, we can now remove this screw, the zip tie, and disconnect the pedal and fully remove it from the vehicle. And now we can fully remove the throttle and its cable. Now with the throttle removed and on a desk so it's easy to work on, we can remove this plate to gain access to the soldered connections. So if you look really close, it looks like this wire here is broken and not making connection. But we can check that with the multimeter. So I'll turn my multimeter onto the ohm function and turn on the sound alarm so you get a nice beep when we have contact. So now we can check each wire and verify contact. So here's red. That's good. There's blue. That's good. And we'll do this center one. And we got nothing. So now I can try and get the wire out of this glue so that I can resolder it. Okay, finally got the wire out, and actually wasn't the solder connection that broke, but the wire from the sensor that snapped. So now I'll get this ready to solder back on there. Okay, I think that's the best I can get it. I was trying to wrap the wires around themselves so that you don't rely on the solder as a mechanical connection, but with that short little wire, I think that's the best I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a bunch of solder on it. Not very pretty, but should work. And that wire actually got remelted into the glue, so that's good. If it hadn't, or if I had a glue gun, I would squirt some more on there to help hold that wire so it doesn't break again. So this middle wire on the connector is the wire in question, so I'm just gonna test it again to make sure we have connection. put that on the alarm when there's conductivity. There we go. So now we can put it back together. Time to reinstall. Reassemble. Under the frame. Okay, last piece. Turn it on.
You turn that way.